Hey crafty crew, if you're interested in seeing how to make these potatoes, please keep watching. Full recipe will be below in the description box. You need a 3-pound bag of red skin potatoes. Wash and dry your potatoes. Chop them in 1-inch chunks. Spray your pan with cooking spray so they don't stick to the pan. Toss them with your olive oil and the seasonings thoroughly. Spread your potatoes evenly in the pan. Cover your potatoes in a nice layer of Parmesan. It will make them nice and crispy. Put them in the oven at 450 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. Take them out of the oven when they are nice and browned. These potatoes are so good. I love making them, and I will just eat the leftovers of them for days. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Check out all the links below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.